Hello students, good evening. I hope you are enjoying the winters and from today we are enjoying the data science. All right. So kindly confirm me that you are getting my sound. Okay, thank you so much. And I am sharing my screen. All right. Okay. So what we are going today that first of all you are advised to keep mute until unless you don't have any query. All right. So that we can focus on learning because it's a good thing to learn data science. All right. Now, the first thing, my recording is resumed. Yes, it's running. Okay. So the first thing, the first chapter and the first day. I'm taking today's date, 22 of December. If someone ask me the question in Hindi, so he or she can ask me. मुझे दोनों इंग्लिश और हिंदी में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So you can ask me Hindi and English both. All right. But our communication and class in medium will be English. All right. So first of all, I am giving you some important details, just like email ID. Okay. You guys keep this up, email ID. All right. So first of all, email ID. Okay, so I kindly take a screenshot or somewhere note it down. I'm just giving you. Live classes @ IIBM internship INTERNSHIPS. Check the spelling carefully. IIBM internships.com. Okay. For technical query, you can contact on this one. Okay. You can contact on this one. I will be applied. Except this, if you have any query regarding syllabus, something is not logging, something video not running like that, so we have another email ID for that other issues. Except technical issue query, we have another ID, that is query @ this one. Okay. Some authorized person will revert you back. For technical query, based for data science, any concern regarding project relation, Python related something, anything you can ask on my email ID, this one, which should be on data science like that. Okay. Data science, Python, machine learning, all this. Except this technical query regarding the syllabus, regarding anything, you can ask on this one. You can take a screenshot of this one or note it down. All right. Now, the first session says environment setup. Okay. We do the environment setup, what is the software, and then we start the Python today. All right. These two things we do today. All right. So First of all, what operating system is recommended for this? OS recommended. Either you have Windows or Ubuntu, that is based on the Linux. Then RAM will be 4 GB plus or 4 GB, that is beneficial for you. Hard disk, any disk greater than 500 GB. If you have a graphics card, then well and good, otherwise no problem. Now processor, at least i3 recommended. i3 recommended. I have i7, so that we have fast processing. If any person don't have i3, I mean i5, i3, so we have solution for that, no problem. Okay, because when we grown up, the project we doing here, so that project will give the answer sometimes in 15 minutes, sometimes in 10 minutes. So the higher processing speed is required for that. All right. Okay, so what software we are going to use here? What software we are going to use here? First of all, Anaconda Navigator. We use the Anaconda Navigator. I am not asking to anyone. Okay, when you ask, then we will try. I'm just telling to everyone. All right. First of all, I use the Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator is a collection of different software. So most popular software is Jupyter Notebook. Jupy, Jupyter Notebook. Right? And if someone have some technical issue regarding this, so we have one cloud computing software, that is Google Colab. I will demonstrate you today both how it's working and how we going to be familiar. All right. So I hope kindly come in chat box and give me what processor you have. At least everyone give me chat box what processor, i3, i5 or something else. Okay, very good. Most of the person i5 and i7, that's good. Those who have i3, that no problem, we have Ryzen, that's good. Gaming processor, good. Okay, so no problem. Someone says that there is a problem, your screen doesn't share to my screen. Why? I think everything is shown to you because I shared the screen from my side. Kindly check your internet connection. All right. Now, so first tell me how to launch the Anaconda Navigator and what is it looks like and how we launch Anaconda Navigator after how to load the Jupyter Notebook. Everything I am starting from very beginning. Okay. So keep your eyes. You will get recording at the end. My recording is continue. So don't worry. All right. So first of all, I am opening the Google. Steps to download Anaconda. Okay. Number one, step one, open Google and search Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator. Navigator. Right? Then what happened? Let me do manually. And you have multiple links, docs.anaconda. So don't go here. Come on the second link. All right. Your data science toolkit. Okay. I mean, it is so favorite. So put the software name, your data science toolkit. Okay. Now come on the download. When you click on download, it will navigate you which type of operating system you have. Now you can decide which one is for you. Okay, so better 64-bit, 32-bit, Linux, etc. Okay, so in this system I have window. Okay, and on my another system I have Linux. Okay, Linux is for you window. All right, so I'm keeping this thing here. I will provide this notepad to you. Okay, so don't worry, everything will be provided by you. All right, so this is your first step. Then number two, install Anaconda. One more thing that you can give me in chat box, that how many of you have the Anaconda software, right? Yes or no? Those who have the Anaconda software, then write yes, and those don't have, write no. One is no. Yes, keep voting. One, two, three, four. Yes, five, six, seven. Okay, only 7%. I mean, only rarely 20% reply, and out of 27% don't have the Anaconda. No problem there. So this lecture is beneficial for you. Now the first thing, you download how to install the Anaconda. Okay, so let's come on again here. Step by step installation of Anaconda Navigator. All right. So somewhere we have the Anaconda documentation link. It gives us the screenshot of the thing somewhere. Let me search. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Installing Anaconda window, which is the anaconda.com.downloads. This one. Okay, perfect. Every screenshot is given. So you can install this one, and then you can load this Anaconda on these things. All right, that's good. So I'm keeping once again this URL to you. You can follow this URL. All right, or even you can go the on Google, and then you can search step by step installation of Anaconda. All right, I just put on Google. Okay, so Google will tell you step by step. Otherwise, just like other software you're going to install, same way you can install this Anaconda Navigator software. Now, how to open this software? Okay, first of all, how to open and how to use. I mean, everything I explain over here. Okay, first of all, search in Windows search bar. Okay, I suppose this is my Windows search bar. So this is green symbol. Now the if you get the latest one, this symbol is updated. So this green symbol stands for Anaconda Navigator. All right, I'm clicking this one. This will take some time. So very software. When you install, this size is going to be across 4 GB to 5 GB. Click on icon. So once you loaded this kind of Anaconda Navigator, so you have this kind of thing. You have this kind of software interface. So what we do very first, we have different kind of software. We have to search Jupyter Notebook. My Jupyter Notebook is here. So we have to click this thing on launch button. Check this one. When you launch this thing and you launch this Jupyter Notebook, so you have this kind of interface. All right. What this interface and how this interface map. So third step, click on icon. Anaconda Navigator will load. Search for Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook icon. Then click on launch. Right now, step number 6. This will launch in your browser, default browser. Okay, so I recommend you to keep your default browser Google Chrome. Okay, what is the advantage of making Google Chrome in Jupyter Notebook? You can easily create the PDF file. Just to click the print button and you can print the thing. All those files which I teach you the Python, I will send you as converting the PDF. So you can even open this file in your phone also. All right, now. So this will open, this have the look like this. Okay, so how we use this thing? First of all, what we do, we have to make a folder. Okay, so next step, how to use the Jupyter Notebook. If you have copy pen, so you can note down, otherwise this notepad is available after the class. Okay, I'm just again reminding those who latecomers who join late, we have some email ID. You can contact this one. I'm just pasting. Okay, for technical query or data science, you can contact on my email ID. Okay, except technical query, except anything you can ask on this email ID. Except technical query, you can ask query at that. You will be responses as soon as possible. All right. Keep Please keep this down or take a screenshot of this one. I'm sending this both email ID to your chat box. So if you have any notepad, any WhatsApp, so you can save there. All right. Now, okay. So Jupyter Notebook, what is this? It is web-based. It's a web-based so that we can using in Chrome made software which is used for creating, running Python, and data science code. The beauty of this software is that we can run line by line code and check its output. It's beauty. Not need to come save all the code, not need to write full program, just line of code and you can check the output. Okay. So first of all, how to handle this Jupyter notebook? How to handle this Jupyter notebook? First of all, number one, step A, number one, create a folder. Arrange your entire work topic by topic inside a folder so that after 1 month, when you revise the thing for interview, you can easily access this thing. All right. So what we do for software, I'm just here on my interface of Jupyter notebook. You have to click on new. You can check this symbol, new. Okay. Click on new, then click on the folder. As you click on a folder, so new folder is created, name untitled folder. Each time you are creating a folder, its name is untitled folder and its timing is given above. All those folder you can see 6 months ago, year ago, this is just second ago. So you that came to know this is my fresh folder. What I do here, create a folder. What are those steps? Number one, click on new, drop down on upper right corner. I'm just giving you one by one everything. Okay, so keep attentive over here. Number two, what it do, select folder option. Next one, once the folder is created, its name, its default name will be untitled untitled folder. Okay, you can have a look of this one, untitled folder. UNTITLE means no title is given to them. All right, now then what we have to do, next process, we have to tick this. Okay, when you tick this, so two option is available, rename and delete. This is for your concern. So what we do, we going to be rename this. So check before, before the folder name, then scroll up and select and click on rename. So same thing I'm doing, click on rename. So pop-up boxes appear before you. It shows the old name. You can change this name. My name, and I put today's date, December 22. All right. So as you rename, my folder will be here. And rename this. Right? So this folder is created for you. You can make the folder with the name of data science. Okay. And now the question is, guys, where this folder is mapping on your desktop, on your hard disk. All right. So what view questions, where this folder, sometimes you have to share this file, programming file. So how you share, where this folder is located on your drive. So what we do, I'm going to C drive, open your folder, C drive, C drive, then users. Then my laptop name is machine learning. So laptop name would be anything, your names or vendor's name, just like a Dell, Lenovo, like that. And here you find all the folders, just like this one in my folder. Okay, so I'm copying this part. See users, then your laptop name, then you find the thing over there. Okay, so this is about how to create a folder. Number two, how to create Jupyter notebook. how to create Jupyter notebook. Let's see. These very useful things for the beginners. They must try. And today they set up their laptop so that on tomorrow they can practice work with me. Okay, so environment setup is the first and essential task. All right, so what I'm going to do here, click on the folder. Now folder is blank for you. All right, so first of all we have to create again a new Jupyter notebook. So I'm again clicking on new drop down and Python 3. What is Python 3 stands for? Python 3.x version. Any version related to Python 3. Right now Python 3.8 and 3.9 is launched. Okay, so what version? 3.x version is there. X stand for any one number. 1 2 3 is Python 3.3, 3.4, any 3 version is there. So once you click this one, so this kind of user interface open for you. So what I do, again click on the new drop down. Okay, then select Python 3, a new notebook in new tab. All right, now check this one. So how we use this notebook? First of all we have to rename my file. When you see my folder in previous tab, this is your Jupyter notebook, this is your previous tab. So the file name is untitled.ipynb. Internet, I for internet, py means Python, nb for notebook. Internet Python notebook, it's extension. All right, now what we do, I just put introduction. When you click this one over here, rename. So here is renaming of file name, and there is also introduction dot. So in particular folder you have multiple file, and what we do, what topic we cover, same kind of file we take. Just like if I am teaching you the Python variable, so I will create the variable. If I am teaching you the operator, so file name will be operator, so that when we access the file, we should know that inside a particular file that data is given to you. All right, now, so first of all, Python is very easy language. Okay, just introduction is there. It is work like a calculator. Okay, so open, rename this. All right. So third point, Python is a calculator. Why I am saying this kind of thing? Exclamation marks. Because you know Python is a programming language. Beside this, if you want to add two number, 3 plus 4, I just zoom this. You can zoom the help of Chrome settings. So 3 plus 4, and you run the thing, so you got the 7. See, I am not attaching any kind of header file, I am not creating any variable, I am not using any print function. Beside this, it is giving me the answer. That's the beauty of Python. Line, you can run the code. You can type over here, you can click on the run. Again, you can do any multiplication operation. Again, you can do any power, I mean 2 raised to the power 64. So for the power operator, we have here double asterisk 64. In a fraction of second, you get the answer. You don't have any kind of library, nothing else. This is power, Python computation power. Okay. Now, this is one way you can do your Python program. Okay. So for running any cell, click on run button or shift enter. Shift plus enter. Just like if I am putting 10 divide 3, I'm not uh, pressing run. I just put the shift enter, so it will give me the answer of this one. All right. So this is a one way you can use the Jupyter notebook for your Python. Now the second way, which I told you, very fast way, just like somewhere I told you, hmm, Google Colab. Okay. First one is this one. A, Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Notebook. B, Google Colab. All right. Now see what is Google Colab. I hope you are enjoying the session. Okay. So what is Google Colab? This is cloud computing software for data science, machine learning, machine learning, and Python. Second thing, it's free. Third thing, we can use CPU, GPU, and TPU. GPU level processing speed on this software. Right? So can anyone explain me? Okay, we have a good number of students today. So I am floating a question before you. Can anyone explain me? I'm just taking the name Muhammad Anas. Muhammad ANAS. Kindly unmute yourself. Can you tell me what is CPU, what is GPU, what is TPU? Muhammad Anas is there. Yeah, you are audible. Please tell me the difference between CPU, GPU, and TPU. What is GPU? No, that's good. Everyone knows CPU. What is GPU? No, no problem. Mute yourself. What's Shubhangi Kumari? Kindly tell me what is GPU and TPU and TPU. So you are give the incorrect answer. Can anyone told me both thing GPU and TPU and for TPU? Very good. What is your introduction, please, Sabyasachi? Yeah, yeah. Please give your introduction, please. All right, all right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So as Mr. Sabyasachi do the correct explanation. CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. GPU stand for Graphical Processing Unit or Graphics Processing Unit. And then TPU stand for the Tensor Processing Unit. Shubhangi, please mute yourself. Okay. No, no, the red symbol is there for mic button. Click on that. Okay. So TPU stand for Tensor Processing Unit. When you have the high computation power, so we use this kind, and this kind of resources is free for you. Okay. Since I am using the i7, price is 75,000 plus. So if I am using i3, in fact, lower kind of processor, and I have the Chrome, so can obtain the i7 and more than i7 processing speed. Okay, so I'm showing you how we use this Google Colab. And one word is there, cloud computing software. What is cloud computing? Anyone from you? Not something new? Yes, Ganesh, Yes, Mr. Ganesh, what is that? Cloud computing software? Ganesh, uh, can you introduce yourself? Ganesh, Mr. Ganesh? Hmm. Other person can mute yourself. Other person can mute yourself. Do not create disturbance. Who's taking the name I take? Will unmute and give me answer. Okay. Yes, Mr. Ganesh, kindly introduce yourself. Uh, Okay. I think your internet speed is not good. I mean, so that your voice is breaking. No problem. Okay. So cloud computing is software. Cloud computing. Someone more want to give the answer to me. Please wait. Yeah, sure, sure. What is good name, dear? Yeah, Shivanshu. Yes, please. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay, your definition is good but highly complicated. I am simple words. I am telling you. It's an online platform when all those programming environment you find. It is an online platform where you find all a programming environment. Means if you want to run the Python on desktop or Windows, you have to install the Python. But on cloud computing, you don't need to install any software. They definitely they will provide you storage. So storage is also provided in cloud. So what is the advantage of cloud computing? Advantage of cloud computing is that they are providing you software on which you want to run your program. So the Google Colab by default provide you the software or libraries of Python concerned with the Python. All right. So how we use this? Yeah. No, 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 no. It's a Google Colab, but that's different thing. Okay. Google Analytics, I don't think any word is there. Google Analytics and the data analytics is there, business analytics is there, not Google Analytics. Okay. I don't think, I mean, see, lot of things, lot of terms are similar to each one. Okay. So this platform, this is a basically a cloud computing software which provide you everything free with a good speed. Okay. So now check how we start this one and how we use this one. Okay. Mute yourself. All right. Now, first of all, I am opening my Gmail account. Open new tab. I'm opening my Gmail account and you have Gmail account. You can open this one. Go to Drive. I will give you a step, no problem. Okay. So first of all, create a folder, new folder. Just like I take the folder that data science. My folder is there. I just open this folder and go into new. Then go to more. Okay. So we have to add the extension of this one. This is not extension. This is software which to be installed in a Google Drive. Connect more app because sometimes we not able to find this one. It's not finding over here. Okay, no problem. Type here. So simple option is there, Google Colab. Just let me see here, it is searching or not. Google Colab, what this is searching. So no problem, you search this thing over here and click this thing into new tab. Which kind of email ID over here is showing you? It is by default locate this file in that email ID, Google Drive account, right? So this thing is present before you. I take a new notebook, same feature as you have in Jupyter notebook, same feature, nothing new. It is going to be like this simple. You can rename this just like intro.ip by nb. Okay, so from where we use the higher computation power, it will give you the particular RAM, the particular disk space disconnecting to the Google server. Okay, so it is giving you the RAM and disk. It is popping up. It will give you 12 GB RAM, okay, and 107 GB hard disk. Okay, so this is best thing for you, and you can change your runtime. Click on runtime, then change the runtime. None to GPU or TPU. CPU level though provided in every system, but GPU and TPU level rarely provided. Select TPU, save this thing. Kindly mute yourself. I mean the person. All right. Now how to use this same way? 3 plus 4, 7. Same way. Okay, if we don't want to do some import the library, just like if I show some visualization, I mean that is last thing. Okay, I'm just showing you how to check this one. Okay, if you want to import any library, import numpy, very important library when you start data science. As np is aliasing. All right, so once I run this, I checked its version, which version is installed. This one, np dot double underscore double underscore. So latest version you can got over here. So all the library, in fact TensorFlow is installed over here. TensorFlow is very fastest than the NumPy, because using TensorFlow we can build up the artificial neural network where we have thousands of nodes. Okay, so in fact using TensorFlow you can check its version also. TensorFlow is very complicated library to install, because we have to create the separate environment in my Anaconda like that. Okay, but here, all right, 2.4.0. See, TensorFlow 2.0 latestly launched in previous few months, and they give you the software without installing anything. You have the good software. Even you can manage your folder over here. You can upload any file, just like a data set which you want to train your model, etc. You can access a drive folder over here. So this way is you can use your collab. So I'm writing here the notes for you. Step number 1, I'm giving the way how I open this one. Open Google to search Google Collaboratory. Then step number 3, open the URL. URL. What URL? I'm just pasting over here. Yes. That URL https collab.research.google.com. You must be login. Condition, you must be login. log in Google account. Next, step number 5, all your work will be saved automatically inside the Google Drive account. This is all for environment setup. Okay. Before starting any Python single concept, I insist that all of you have the Anaconda or Colab. Prefer the Anaconda because Google Colab is not able to maintain all the thing in hierarchy thing. Okay. So I'm advising you to maintain your laptop till tomorrow. So what class timing we have? Everything I'm disclosing over here. Class timing. Take the screenshot of this one. We have Monday to Friday, 8:15. Session will on from my side is 8:15 to 10:15, including the query session. Okay. Or basically it may be exceed if the topic is not complete. It will be before this timing, depend upon the topic. Okay. But learning is very important. I insist you all that you can practice with me, then you have a higher learning. See, many of you have knowledge of Python, so don't worry. I have to teach those person also who don't every single know the ABCD of Python. So we are a team, and if we work together, so we will become the strong. Okay, so don't move forward very much and don't lagging behind very much. Okay, keep your pace with me. Okay, second thing, on Sunday at 11 a.m. we have query session. Query session. Any work you do in entire week on Saturday, and if you have any problem, you can email me. Again, I'm just copying my email. Those who joined very late, copy this email. Two email IDs there. Okay, this is email ID. All right. So on Sunday 11 a.m. we have query session. You have technical query, you have to email on this, can take a screenshot. Live classes at the IIBM internships as is there after internship.com. Accept technical query programming skills, you can contact on this one. QUERR by at this one. Okay, one more thing, the URL, Google Meet URL will be same for all meeting for this course. What is that URL? The URL on which you join. If someone asks the meeting code, if you have a Google Meet app in your mobile on which you are attending, so that will ask if Google Meet code. Either you join with the this URL, or if you directly open the Meet. So what is a Meet code? Meet code is this meeting code. That is this one. Last 347 310-digit characters. These are your Google Meet code. Okay, what I am providing you entire course, entire course. Number one, the PDF. What we do here, I will provide a PDF. Number two, the recording of class, recording of class, either in .mp4 format. Okay, only in mp4 format, you don't convert anything in mp4 format. All right, high definition recording. Number three, I will provide you PPT. Okay, if I am using any PPT, so you get my PPT in the PDF format. All right, so that you can open that PDF file, PPT file in your mobile. Number four, you get daily homework. If someone do, then better. If not do, so we can discuss separately. Okay, you can mail me about that. Then five, assignment. So I will search a new program for you, so that every program contains some different logic. Ultimately, you have to learn the logic creation in Python. Python is just, I'm teaching you for what is syntax, semantics, how it's working, what is, how to run the for loop, how the file ending is done, etc. etc. All right. So I think this thing may be sufficient for you. You take a screenshot of this one. I am just giving you this thing in chat box also. It is remaining Monday to Friday timing. This is PM. It's a PM. Do not take AM. Sunday 11 a.m. query session. We have the same URL entire the course. Okay, and most of thing, no password required for join the meeting. All right, you can share your views on my email ID, any query email ID. I will try to answer before the next class. All right, because I am a person busy around today. So at one time I will log in and I will answer all the persons the query. So I'm sending these things in your chat box. You will get this notepad. Okay. So where's my chat box? My chat box is here. Someone says me that share the thing in chat panel. Okay, I just try that my thing is shared to you. So this is all about my class today. If we have a query, because on tomorrow I need everyone with your Anaconda software. Either you have i3 or something else, you can do with that. Yeah, yes, please. हाँ बताइए. हम्म. हाँ, 12 GB दे रहा है, 3 GB नहीं, 12 GB देखिए. 12 GB दे रहा है, बहुत. अभी आपको इसकी प्रोसेसिंग, अभी इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस पता नहीं है. जब हम लोग डेटा साइंस में पहला कोड करेंगे लीनियर रिग्रेशन का, तब आपको इंपॉर्टेंस पता लगेगी. क्योंकि i3 अगर आपके पास है और 4G, तो इट विल टेक टाइम इफ डेटा सेट इज गुड हैवी. ओके, इफ डेटा सेट इज स्मॉल, सो नो प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन टेक टी, मीनवाइल योर आउटपुट इज रेडी. राइट, आप. हाँ, बिल्कुल नहीं करना है, तभी मैंने आपको दोनों चीज़ें बताई. समटाइम्स मेरे साथ भी ये होता है कि मैं प्रेफर करता हूँ गूगल कोलैब, क्योंकि इसमें एक खासियत है, मैं यहाँ से सबको शेयर कर सकता हूँ. I can share my notebook to entire person. All right, so that is a thing. It's a beauty, and then you can comment over here, what your views, what you find over there. So you can comment like that. Okay. Yeah, yes, please. Yes, please. Mm-hmm. Ganesh, your sound is not clear. Your sound, Ganesh, your sound is not clear. I think your internet speed not good. You can put me this thing in chat box. What? Yeah. Please wait. Please wait. One question we have. One question. Tomorrow I will cover. Someone asking me tomorrow topic. Tomorrow I will cover. Tomorrow I will cover number one, Python history, how Python originate, then come on the Python variable, then Python operator. All right, these three topics will be covered tomorrow. All right. Okay, I just Mr. Ganesh, please just wait a few seconds, then I will handle you. Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, yeah, yes, please. Yeah, now you can ask me. Okay. Mhm. Yes, yes, yes. But Mr. Ganesh, for this we use some other kind of notebook because this 12 GB is not sufficient for you. I have one notebook which have that RAM of 35 GB. Okay, because I am also doing some research project. I am also in my research project. In that thing, 12 GB is not sufficient. Okay, so you have to increase, or you have to take some paid plans, or you have to increase the RAM. Just like the image processing, if you are doing this kind of thing, same kind of situation arises in image processing, because I have lot of images. So in that case we need definitely high processing speed. All right. Definitely, it will not give you. If this give you, I will give you another collab, because this collab have a 12 GB RAM, and the collab I will provide you have a 35 GB RAM. But this is special case. Okay, you can upload dataset from here, and then you can use the collab over here. Okay, Ganesh, thank you so much. Any more query invited? Uh, yes, please. Yes, please. Your sound is again very disturbing, not clear sound is there. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, definitely. Better you can email me. I will try to put answer. Anyone query? Otherwise, we are meeting on tomorrow with these topic. I'm going to finish the thing. Anyone have a query? But yeah, yes, please. No, no, I'm not getting question. Do you have? We have any? Uh, collab session expire, I mean the Google session expire in, I think, 30 minutes. What I observe, if you idle this screen for 30 minutes, your session will be expired. What I observe, because I run long model for image processing, so at least 3 to 4 hours needed to run the thing. So at each 15 minutes I have to interrupt this screen so that my screen will be live. Otherwise your session is expired, and you have to start the processing from one end freshly. Okay. Yeah, yes, Abhisachi. Yeah, when we do some, see, this is not environment creation. Okay, creation, when we create environment creation. So I will give you some Anaconda commands on prompt where you manually create the environment name, activate the environment name, then launch the Jupyter node. For example, if I'm using Anaconda prompt, okay, so it will give me. So first of all, I will activate my environment. Let's suppose Conda activate my environment name deep learning, deep L. Okay, then what software I have here, I will use Conda list, so I can check what library I have here. Just like I have TensorFlow over here, just like I have NumPy over here. So that's thing different. Here my intention to introduce only with Anaconda Navigator and Jupyter Notebook, because all mostly 50%, more than 50% person are fresh over here. So it is not right time to give this introduction over here. All right. You are just a little bit into familiar with this. So later on, when we do the linear regression, then we create this kind of environment. We do install the NumPy, we install the pandas, we install everything over here. Okay, what is our requirement? Okay. Mhm. Yeah, definitely. You get the email, and later on we'll communicate you and some develop some LMS type thing so that you can easily download from that. All right. The format will be PDF. The format will be PDF. I convert this thing, go to print, and then convert save as a PDF, portrait mode. So this will be here. Every images, everything inside that. In my notebook, notes will be there, program will be there, assignment will be there. No need to go some any web reference. If any reference is required, then I will give you any PDF, notebook, book, everything is there. Okay. Because and I expect that what I give you the for the day you have to complete by the next day. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. But PDF is better. Sometimes HTML is not supported in every mobile, so we are portable mostly on mobile because everyone check the mail on mobile. So as soon as mail is coming, you can check on your listing. Okay. So I am finishing over here. Thank you so much. Good night. And with the promise, you are meeting with me with installed Anaconda. Okay. You will receive this notebook, or otherwise delay is there. So you can search on Google how to install Anaconda, Anaconda Navigator, something. You can take a screenshot of this one if you want to take a screenshot, because everything is available in chat box. You can control A, control C. I am again sending these all the things on chat box so that you can download and paste in your notepad. Before your sound is very low before please speak loudly. Come closer. आपकी आवाज बहुत धीमे आ रही है. You are audible but very little bit sound is there, very little sound. All right, no problem. You can take a screenshot and you can copy everything which I given you in chat box. You can copy right now. I am here. All right, thank you so much. Good night, dear.